Hello, if you have an appliance that looks like this is a DreamTap that has a hook and a wire to connect. We are going to titrate it. You may have a key that looks like this, or that looks like this. Either or is fine. Okay, so you're going to use the lower appliance, or the lower one that has the hook here, which also has these little lines on the side. This is what indicates how many millimeters you have adjusted it to. It is down at the bottom, so it's at 0. So we're going to move it to the first line there. So this key is going to go right here in this middle hole. There's also a little arrow at the bottom which indicates what direction you're going to turn the key. So you're going to take the key and put it in that hole. So let me turn here. So if you take a look at the key, it's going to be this way, right? So you're going to put it in the hole there. And you're going to turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So it's this bottom little plate that's holding the hook is aligned with the first line right there. That way you're indicating how many millimeters you're moving. You're going to read from the bottom of the hook up. So 1 starts here at the bottom and moves up to the top. That is how you titrate a DreamTap appliance.